the cutest place in Thailand. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back and welcome from Thailand.
And I'm here as well, super excited to be in the video finally. So we are in Thailand for the next about 9-10 days and we're going to be seeing Phuket, Krabi and finishing off with Bangkok. I'm super excited, my first time.
So this is actually my second time here and I love Thailand. It's an amazing country. There's so much to offer, so much nature, food, culture. So it's going to be fun and we are here in the month of June. Actually it's my birthday, so we are here for
Birthday
my
month, birthday week celebration.
So yeah, we're here for my birthday. It's kind of like off season in June because it gets a bit rainy. So let's see. We are hoping for the best and we'll make the best of whatever we get.
Yes, absolutely. Let's go. As you can see, I'm already ready with this funky shirt.
Kuch bhi, yaar, kuch bhi. Anyways, let's get going.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Made it to Patong and just checked into the hotel. The first impression of Phuket is that it is very clean. It looks like a very tropical place, like how Kerala, Goa looks, but very clean. I did not even spot a single plastic on the road, and it was a 40-minute ride, guys. So very nice. And also Phuket is like a hill beach sort of a place, like there are a lot of cliff and then there's beach, that kind of a landscape. It's not like plain and then sea. So a very unique, very nice landscape. And yeah, it's just so amazing. The weather right now, it's on point. It's 24 degrees and I can't wait to get out and just probably go to the beach. But before that, need to take a nap because I haven't slept at all. And this is the hotel that we are staying in. It's the Nature Phuket. It's bang on the Patong beach, like walking distance from the Patong beach, which is the most prominent or the most happening beach in Phuket. We'll obviously go there later in the day. But for now, let me give you a quick tour of this property. This is an eco-friendly property, so yay for that. As you enter, a mirror, hello. This is the bathroom, which is actually like an open bathroom, like yeah, like this. So of course you can close this or open this. And we have the beds. We have 2 beds. We definitely don't need that. Now, of course, the best part of this room has to be the view. And this view, hey Amotsara,
Hello.
what you doing?
This view is not as good as that view though.
Can you see the beach there? That's the Patong beach. All set to explore Phuket today. So we will be exploring a little bit of the main Phuket, the Patong area. Then we'll also go to the other side of Phuket, which is the old Phuket.
And how we're gonna go? Indian style, rent the bike.
Rent the bike, yeah. So we'll have to figure all that out. But also one more thing, you guys have been asking for like budget travel videos and everything. So I thought we'll do a little better this time. And today we are going to take up a challenge where we will try and do whatever we want to do in like 1000 baht, which is about 2000 rupees. So like 1000 rupees per person. Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see. And we have a lot of things on the agenda. So let's just see if we'll be able to do it. But anyways, we will be letting you guys know and we'll tell you about the prices and everything. So we have a shuttle service from the hotel for Patong. So that's what we're going to take. It's going to be at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we'll
And
go
we're
there.
almost at 2.
Yeah. So we'll go there, grab some lunch, figure everything out and get going with the day. Patong Beach now, actually in a restaurant. This one is the first restaurant that we saw and we just came here. We actually got a lot of work done. We got
the SIM card and we got some cash.
Yeah.
So we're all set.
all set and now going to dig right in to some really good seafood. Here's my lunch, Fanang prawns with some rice. That lunch was amazing. The beach is really beautiful. It's so vibrant and I'm definitely feeling it already. Now this place, Patong, it could really come alive at night and we'll be back here. But for now, we need to go and figure out the scooty situation. And just in case you're curious, we have already spent 400 baht. Okay.
That's 300 for a day.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but
I am in the cutest place in Thailand, the Old Phuket. This place is just so adorable. It's vibrant, it's cute, and every other shop is so cute. Like I'm falling in love at every step because the shops here are super adorable. First we'll go and get some ice cream. The only bummer is that we are a bit late. Right now it's already 5:30. So yeah, the sun's going to go down. But this place, you have to come here.
hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Like that, got myself a hat from this really adorable shop. And bang opposite to it, there is a shop that has tie-dye. Like his entire store is dedicated to tie-dye. Check this out.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the
So here we have the blue tie-dye shop. There was a pink tie-dye shop on the other side of the street. And just look at it. Look at the tiles. So pretty.
Say this again, this place is so cute, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's like Phuket, when you think of it, it's not just Patong Beach. It's like there's this whole old town vibe.
Yeah, and it's
so amazing.
Totally different. It's so quaint. It's got such good character.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and we are now in a
excellent coffee.
Excellent, like one of the best coffees of my life. We are in a place called Moyum Cafe, and this place used to be a tailor shop, and they have a lot of like tailoring machines, and the whole decor is just fab, and the coffee is delicious.
So good start to a birthday week.
Yeah, absolutely.
you and I, we got it.
We have now come to Chilwa Night Market. So night markets are definitely a thing in the whole of Thailand, and it's usually a weekend thing, but here they have a market on a weekday. So we are definitely in luck, and yeah, let's go and check out the night market and do maybe a little bit of shopping.
Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through.
much food, and the thing is that I want to try it all, but I don't have the appetite. So let's see what all we can eat today. At this point, I had completely forgotten that we were doing 1,000 baht challenge. So let me tell you that that day we ended up spending 1,380 baht for the two of us, and this includes everything like renting the bike, fueling, shopping, etc. Now, even though we failed in the challenge, I really think that if you minus all these additional expenses, a person can do their trip for like 1,000 baht for a couple. So that's around 500 baht per person. So yeah, that's all about it for this video. I know we told you guys that we will be showing you around Bangla Street at night, and in fact we went to Bangla Street, we had a good time. But as you guys know, in Thailand the tourism is a bit explicit, and I didn't feel like that content is appropriate for this channel as we have a lot of young viewers as well. I hope you understand, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm thinking of doing daily vlogs here, so I'll close this video here. And right now it's a brand new day, guys. Today we have plans and we are going to James Bond Island and everything, so that is a part of a different video. So for this video, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and consider subscribing if you are new to this channel. I'll see you all very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.